Hey friends, welcome to another product review. As always, I'm going to link this item in the description below if you guys want to check it out on Amazon. Let's get on with the unboxing. Hey friends, welcome to another product review. Today I'm checking out this printer cover. It's a dust cover for an EPSON ET2850. And so sometimes it's just nice to have a little cover over it so it doesn't get dust everywhere. So this is what it looks like. And I'm just going to put this on my printer and show you how it looks. So these are kind of handy. They're easy to clean in case there is dust, and just keeps your printer looking nice and from dust and stuff getting in there and perhaps messing up the inner workings. So we'll show you how that works. Well, here's the printer before, and there it is afterwards. You can see this has ample protection. They have different sizes, and you want to make sure you measure your printer to the right dimensions so you know that it fits. But you can have these, there's different sizes, so you can order it and just protect your electronics. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad either. So thanks for watching, my friends. Have a great day. We'll see you all next time.